So we can start off with these Jolly Ranchers, right? I have to go through and strategically peel each one of these. This right here, okay, is the sea floor, all right? So heavy to try to do fancy pulls. Peach snaps. More ice. Now 7-Up. Our fish is Swedish. ASAP Rocky, what's up? Asking kids. Is he swimming?
Nope.
Did he swim? Did he just drop? Okay, hold on. Is that one swimming? Mm-hmm. Okay. These fish can't swim in deep water, okay? These are shallow water fish. And now my boy, Blue Curacao, because we have to create an ocean, you see? Oh, sorry. Blue Raspberry Vodka. I thought it was... We come behind with our boy, Blue Curacao. See, the vodkas can stay up top, right? But the Blue Curacao is going to float. Sink. But it's going to sink lightly to create that nice ocean feel. So we got our little fish tank cover, and there's a little light. You see what I'm saying? To light up our ocean. Huh? You got ocean lights at home? I don't think so. Oh, it's a party at the Great Barrier Reef. We're having a party. Hey, Great White, how you doing, man? And there you have it, a fishbowl in a fish tank. Amen. Can I get a witness? Let's just take up a little offering right now. Anyway, so don't drink and drive. Always drink responsibly.